If you want to build big muscular legs, then this video can help you. We're going to look at the best 10 leg exercises for muscle mass so that you can choose your favorite exercises and add them to your leg workout. Number 1. Barbell squat. A very effective exercise that activates all the leg muscles. It's the biggest compound exercise for legs and therefore ideal for some serious growth. Make sure you keep a good strong posture during the exercise for maximum power. The toes point outwards because it allows your knees to bend more flexibly. Number 2. Leg press machine. This is a good alternative exercise for squats, but it's also fine to perform them both in the same workout. If you have back problems, this exercise will probably be better for you than squats because you have no weight on your spine and your back is supported by the bench. With this exercise, you train primarily the quads. Number 3. Leg extension. This is an isolation exercise. This means that with this exercise, you only train one muscle part, and in this case, it's the quads. An excellent exercise for beginner quads and super simple to perform. It's almost impossible to perform this exercise incorrectly. Number 4. Leg curl machine. Another isolation exercise, but this one trains the hamstrings. Many beginners focus mainly on the quads and forget to train the hamstrings, but it's a very big part of the upper legs and therefore super important to train them. There is also a lying variant of this machine available, and it's just as good, so it's up to you which one you prefer. Number 5. Hex bar deadlift. A big compound exercise that trains the legs, back, and forearms. The deadlift is mainly known as an exercise with a straight bar, but if you want to put extra focus on the legs, the hex bar is more effective. With the hex bar, it's possible to come up in one straight line. This way, the back has to do less work and the legs more because there is less bending. Number 6. Calf raise leg press. Training the calves on the leg press machine. With the leg press, you have a good-sized plate that you can push away with your toes. To get the most from your calf exercises, it's important to start with your heels lower than your toes so that you'll have full range of motion. Number 7. Abductor machine. This is an isolation exercise for glutes. Very effective, but if you do not want to train the glutes separately, then squatting is the best exercise to get your glutes well developed. Strong glutes are very important for those who want to lift heavy because with big compound exercises such as squats, leg presses, and deadlifts, you need a lot of power from the glutes to control and lift the weight. Number 8. Dumbbell lunges. With this exercise, you mainly develop the quads. You can also perform the exercise with a bar on your back, but the advantage of dumbbells is that you can immediately put them on the floor if you train to failure. With a bar, you might have to drop it, and that could be unsafe for people that are training around you. Number 9. Machine squat. A great machine that makes it possible for every athlete to perform the squats as perfectly as possible. If you are struggling with the barbell squats, or if you would rather pump the legs up without using a part of your power for stability and balance, then this is an ideal exercise for you. Number 10. Smith machine calf raise. Training calves on the Smith machine. A nice exercise with which you can easily create a lot of tension in the calf muscles. It's great to use an aerobic step because that way you can go extra low with those heels and have a long range of motion which leads to a bigger muscle squeeze. Well, these were the 10 best leg exercises. Below you can click on the best 10 exercises for the next muscle group, and we will see each other